Hello YouTube. Chachi is back with another great video, and today's video is about how to fix headphones not detected when plugged in Windows computer. So when you try to insert your headphone and when you try to listen to music or watching some kind of videos, the sound does not come through your headphone. So to solve this problem, we are going to use different solutions from basic to advanced for different Windows operating systems. So this solution will work for Windows 11, Windows 10, and other Windows operating system. So now let's start from the basic solution. So plug-in port would be full of dust or unwanted particles that will combat your sound to come through your headphones. So clean your headphone, your laptop headphone port before you try the next solution. So the first solution will be cleaning the port. So after you do that, the next solution would be making your headphone as a default output device. So first, let me show you on Windows 11, and I'm going to show you for Windows 10 next. So in order to make your headphone as default output device, just go to here, your taskbar in the bottom here, right click on the sound icon and you will find sound settings. Then open the sound settings. So after the sound settings open, you will find here output. So your headphone is an output device, so it will give you options here. So here different options. In my case here, speaker and headphones. You will have plenty of options in your case, so just click here the drop down arrow and you will find options of volume, checking your left right channel by dragging, which is 200 or to 0, and also you can move up and down by dragging again the bar. And also the one thing is checking the audio by selecting. In my case it's don't allow, so just select don't allow and it will be allowed. But if you don't want to allow, just click here allow. So check whether the audio is allowed and check whether your headphone is selected as a default output device. So on Windows 10, in order to make your headphone as default output device, is again the same step. Just go here and click on the sound icon and select open sound settings. So after the sound settings opened, you will find the same as the Windows 11, but you will find output. So choose your default output device. So you can select from the drop down options here, make a selection based on your headphone or your device, and as well as you can manage sound devices here by clicking manage sound device and select here output device. Under the output device here, speaker headphone is here. So as what we did under the Windows 11, you can test and you can disable, enable in order to check your speaker headphone is working correctly or not. So after we did the default option, and if we did not get the solution for your headphone not detected, then the second solution will be opening again your control panel. This solution will work the same ways for all operating systems. So click here the search icon and type here control panel. So here the control panel. So select the control panel, and after the control panel, find if your components are under this categories, just click here view by, and under the category, then select here hardware and sound. So after you find hardware and sound, just select here sound. So after you find sound here, click the headphone option that you find here, in my case this one. So right click on it and make sure it's enabled. If I disable it, as you can see it's disabled, just select enable and it is default device. So make sure it's under the set default device option. So after you do that, select here OK and close and check your headphone problem is solved or not. So if the problem is still occurring, the search solution will be again click on the search icon and type troubleshoot. So here the troubleshoot setting, open, then click on the troubleshoot setting, and this will work for all Windows operating system. Follow the steps that I'm using. So after the troubleshoot, open here other troubleshooter or additional troubleshooters you will find on Windows 10. So select other troubleshooter. Then after that, you will find here playing audio option. So select run in order to troubleshoot. So run in order to detect problems related with playing audio problems. So when you find this, just go no, don't open the audio enhancement. So it's resolving the problem. So here we are going to try something. So you can play the sound, you can play test sounds. So you can select and you can check your headphone, and if it is good you can select good, if it is bad you can select bad. If you did not hear anything, just select I did not hear anything. So okay, let's use I did not hear anything. So it will check or resolve your problem. So finally here you must restart your computer to apply these changes. So the troubleshooter found some problems and it's going to restart your computer. Just select restart now and restart your computer. So after the restart, make sure your problem is solved or not. So if the problem is still occurring, then the next solution will be again click on the search icon to update your drivers related with audio. So type here device manager. So here the device manager open. So open the device manager, and under the device manager you will find different drivers. So under in the bottom you will find sound video game controller. Select the drop down arrow and select Realtek audio. In your case it may be high definition Realtek audio or other audio options. So select the audio driver, right click on it and select update driver. So after that, browse my computer, select browse my computer for driver. Then select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then you will find maybe 3 or 4 options. So check each of them until you get the best driver for your computer, which will help you to listen sounds through your headphones. So in my case it's Realtek audio. So let me select the high definition one and select next. So installing updates driver warning, it will give you some warnings. So it's telling you it's going to change a driver. Then select yes, and it proceed to installing the driver on your computer, and Windows has successfully updated your driver. Now select close, and it will close your device manager and restart your computer to see the changes on your computer. So after the restart, check whether the problem is still occurring or not. So if the problem is still occurring, again open your search bar and type device manager. So after you open the device manager, so go again here sound video game controller and click on the driver here high definition audio device. As I updated earlier, select and right click on it and select uninstall device and select uninstall. So to finish removing the device, you must restart your computer. So select yes in order to restart your computer, because after the restart it will reinstall the high definition audio device. So after the restart, check whether the problem is solved or not. And if the problem is still occurring, then the final solution for this video will be updating your Windows operating system. So click on the search icon and type here update. Then you will find Windows update setting. Then select the Windows updates because sometimes updates can cause such kind of problem. And as you are seeing, it's checking for updates. So wait until the checking will be completed, and if there will be some updates, then update them and restart your computer. Then check your headphones problem is solved or not. So these are the tips or solution to solve your headphone not detected on Windows operating system. So if this video is helpful, please give me like, subscribe Chachi Tech, and press the bell button to get or to be notified while I will upload new videos. Thank you for watching. Chachi Tech out.